How are the twins?
They're great. So surreal character now. She's almost walking.
So what's the most you've done in a day?
4, but we really did push it. The older subjects really didn't take to the treatment, but we've had no problems with the younger ones.
Take it easy. Relax. Rebecca, right? Hold still.
I thought it wasn't supposed to hurt.
This is the only thing you'll feel today. Very still, Beck.
Excuse me?
Your heartbeat. It's very steady. You do know what's happening, right? Why you've been chosen from your district?
Yeah. It's like the story of Robin Hood. But backwards. Take from the poor, give to the rich.
How are we doing, nurse?
You're doing the right thing. Almost ready, Doctor.
So, this is it. You're putting me under.
By law, we're required to keep you conscious during the entire procedure. Don't worry. I'll be here every step of the way. The doctor has just inserted a cannula into the median cubital vein in your forearm. Right now, your blood is being replaced with a specifically formulated fluorocarbon emulsion. Still with me? It's a synthetic solution that carries more oxygen than typical red blood cells, allowing you to breathe purer oxygen. You won't even know the difference. It will really help with the bonding and healing process when you have your new prosthetic.
The blood goes straight to auction. You already know what happens with your leg. However, you're young. The robotic limb should take well to someone your age. You'll heal.
We've added a numbing agent to the drip solution. Temporary paralysis will kick in, but there will be 0 pain.
Wait. I don't want to do this anymore. Stop!
Sweetie. Don't worry, you won't feel a thing.
She's right. You don't have an option. Just remember, you're saving lives.
Don't mind him. Have this on me.
No! I'm not done anything to deserve this, please!
You're saving lives. Stay with me. Stay with me.
Emergency. Emergency. There has been a breach of the district facility. Repeat. District facility. There is no immediate danger. Please go to the nearest exit and follow Assures V17 to safe areas outside the facility. The performance will resume once safety is guaranteed.
Okay.
Guaranteed. Guaranteed.
What's going on?
Guaranteed.
We need to hurry.
Guaranteed.
I know she's here. She's sector green. K001. The one we've been waiting for.
safety is guaranteed.